Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here. Mail call. This is an exciting day. My Lie-Nielsen 62 is back in service. Better than ever. I sent the knob and the eccentric lever back to Lie-Nielsen because I was having trouble. It's so dry in this workshop. I was having trouble loosening the knob to adjust the eccentric lever. And that's what happens when you take your knob off your adjustable throat plate, it falls out. So, I requested that they flatten my eccentric lever because it was curved upwards as per their design, and it was causing me problems with my hand. So they did that. So while I had it apart, I honed just a little bit on this front edge so that when I reassemble, that front edge, and this shows you how well they machine things. This adjustable throat fits so perfectly that you have to get it just right to put it back together. All right. So the eccentric came back the way I requested. The knob, I requested that I get my original knob back because of the patina color, and they repaired it instead of just replacing it. That all works perfectly now. Now I can adjust the mouth opening for absolute perfect shavings. That is one of the reasons you buy from companies with unparalleled customer service. They stand behind their product and they're willing to help you. So I got that all fixed up. Then I got another box in the mail, and in the box were a plane blade, 2 3/8, 1/8 inch thick, a chip breaker, another chip breaker, and a 2-inch chip breaker. So, that is all going to go towards some plane builds next year. Now the 2-inch chip breaker I can use on top of a thin Stanley blade with the standard screw. However, if I want to use a thick blade with a thick chip breaker, I need a longer screw, so I need to order some of those up. Also, I'm going to research as to what the thread is for these screws, and I'm going to order up a tap, and I just want to chase the threads. I'm not looking to cut new threads. I just want to chase these threads and get rid of any burrs that are in there. So that's what came in the mail today. If you are considering any sort of holiday gift giving or gift giving of any kind at any time of year, I highly recommend anything from Lie-Nielsen that they make. You can buy things that they resell, but if they make something, they'll stand behind it 100%. And also, don't forget our good friends at Taylor Toolworks, Lee Valley, and Woodcraft. They've all been good supporters of the channel. So there's that. So that's about all for this video, except for a few more shavings from my newly set up number 62, which I am so excited about because I can now put my thumb down here, not have that piece of brass curled up. I can put my hand on here and not have that piece of brass in the way. I don't know about you, but I get excited about little things. I don't even know how thin these shavings are, but they're like, you can read through them. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your shop and go make some shavings. Walter out.